Minister wa Githomo George Magoha augite ndarahahurwo ni inegene riria rikoretwo rigithie na mbere thiku nini hituku. Inegene riria riumanite na miario yake agitetia afitha umwe wa Githomo kaunti-ini ya Uasin Gishu. Kumana na gicajama giki muthenya wa ira kamitii ya utungata wa muingi ni iratunyire Magoha mahinya ma kuramata aruti a wira ministry-ini ino, no na kuhanora uguo augite no eguthii na nambere kuruta wira wake.
And I want to state very clearly, for the avoidance of doubt, that unless otherwise directed by my appointing authority, I shall continue to perform all my duties and responsibilities with a zeal and commitment, and to ensure that all officers in the Ministry of Education perform their duties for the benefit of the Kenyan child, parents, and all education stakeholders.
Magoha ni ateteire murutire wake wa wira akiuga kuma riria oire wabici ni ahotete kurunga mirutire ya wira ya maafitha ruhonge-ini ruru, akigweta mutugo wa arutani gutira wira riu ni wahukire.
I spearheaded the installation of CCTV and biometric devices in all entry and exit points. Though it was initially resisted, but within a span of 6 months, cases of absenteeism had reduced to almost zero.
Oho akiuga ni ageretie uria angihota kuhurana na ungumania na gutigirira kuri na wigiririki wa kigina ministry-ini ino kuhitukira kamitii ya mwanya iria koretwo ikimurika uhuthiri wa kigina.
Key example among others of significance is the task force finding in the primary school sector, where our due diligence identified an inflation of numbers from 8.47 million learners to 9 million learners. The shortfall of Kenya shilling 529,997 learners has led to the saving of Kenya shilling 752,594,740 annually.
Ona kuhanora uguo akiuga angikorwo makinya maria tashukitie kurehe ugaruruku ministry-ini ino ni meguciara matunda, no muhaka gukorwo na nditi ta iria cimugumeire ihinda riri.
While I do concede that I am not perfect in the process of reforms of the magnitude required to improve the service delivery in the education sector in this country, I also recognize that this process is definitely bound to generate resistance if tangible results are to be achieved, and such results must be measurable results.
Ekwaragia o hindi ya guthurima uheani wa itena metha cia aruto thukuru-ini itiganite guku Nairobi, akiuga thirikari ni itanyitwo kuheana itena metha itanyihiire 600,000 kuri makiria ya thukuru 10,000 cia muthingi na sekondari. Handũ-ini ha Kameme TV, Githomo wa Wadiro.